I'm going to show you how you can use the WP-CRM system on WordPress. Now, on your actual WordPress website here, you want to go ahead and start by going to the plugin section down here. Now, on the plugin sections down here, you want to go ahead and go searching for WP-CRM like this. Now, on here, just go to the search bar here. Now, you'll find WordPress CRM plugin right here. Go ahead and click it. Now, once you have clicked it, you can see tap on upgrade and activate here to use WP-CRM. Right now, it's free on the business plan. So if you have a free plan, you won't be able to install this. But if you want to go ahead and use the CRM plugin, the WP-CRM plugin, this is how. If you want to use this, of course, you will need to go to the business plan. So go ahead and press on this button to upgrade to the business plan here. You can see tap on upgrade and activate plugin here if you want. But of course, you will need to check out and it'll be around this much, around for a month. And then after you have paid and after you have checked out, you can now get started by using the WP CRM system for WordPress.